Hi friends, today we are going to discuss on China-Pakistan Economic Corridor as a CPEC. China-Pakistan Corridor is a best initiative in the between two countries as a initiative program of China between China and Pakistan is also called as One Belt, One Road. China has decided to maintain or create trade route for capturing Gwadar port of Pakistan, and that's why they are also want to link China with Europe, and the CPEC has started in 2013. That initial value was for $46 billion, and after that the project seemed to very strategically important for both China and Pakistan. But it is grave concern for Indians. CPEC is opening $46 billion, but project under construction thought Pakistan since 2030. The primary aim is to construct a road to vast network of roads, railways, dams and hydropower projects and pillars. Not only this, but also aims to transform Pakistan's economy by connecting China through this route. The long-term project aims to link Gwadar port to Karachi with northern Pakistan, as well as further will connect to Kashgar in the Xinjiang province of China. The route of the corridor passes through some significant areas like Balochistan, Gilgit-Baltistan and POK. The Chinese investments in the project seem to upgrade Pakistan's 2074 $274 billion GDP by over 15%. Not only this, but there are also other motivations for Pakistan to invest in this project. The major among all this energy needs of Pakistan that will be easily fulfilled after the construction of various projects like Karot hydropower project, Karachi nuclear power plants and world's largest solar power plant in and Pakistan Punjab province part is the most part of this initiative that can double Pakistan's energy capacity. With Pakistan motivation to the world in the CPEC project, we can also include that it will improve Pakistan's infrastructural facilities. Under the CPEC agreement, Gwadar port will initially be expanded and upgraded to allow for docking of larger ships with the tonnage of up to 70,000. Not only this, under the roadways project, but China has also announced financing for $10.63 billion worth of transportation infrastructure so far, up to which $6.1 billion have been allocated to date. The increase in employment opportunities is another thing promised by this project. Last but not least, CPEC provides Pakistan with opportunity to work closely with among reliable friend China and increase its influence in the region of the POK. That is the most important concern for the India. That's why. Thank you.